Okay, so what do we do in a case where we don't have the quadratic equation, but we are given its roots and we're asked to find it? So if we have two roots, alpha and beta, of a particular quadratic equation, we can find the equation using the standard equation x squared minus the sum of the roots, which is alpha plus beta x plus the product of the roots, which is alpha beta, and this will be equal to 0. So we can just apply this to be able to find that particular quadratic equation. So what if we have an example? Say we have roots alpha equal to 2 plus root 3 and beta as 2 minus root 3, and we are asked to find the quadratic equation. So we need to first find the sum of these two roots. So we have alpha plus beta. This will be 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. So the like terms will add each other. So 2 plus 2, we have a 4. Root 3 plus minus root 3, that's a 0. So our sum will just be 4. Our product, which is alpha beta, is going to be 2 plus root 3 times 2 minus root 3. So multiplying this, we have 4 minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. Then we have minus 3, since root 3 times root 3 is root 3 squared. So we have this as equal to, the middle term will disappear since it is going to be a 0. Okay, it's going to be a 0 there. And we'll say this will be equal to 4 minus 3, which is 1. So our sum is 4 and our product is 1. Now going back to the standard, so we have alpha plus beta 4, alpha beta 1. So that's the information that we have, meaning we can go back to that standard equation, which is x squared minus the sum of roots, which is alpha plus beta x plus the product of roots, which is alpha beta, and this is equal to 0. So substituting the sum and product that we have, in this case we have x squared minus the sum, which is 4, and we have x plus the product is 1, and it will be equal to 0. So this is the equation whose roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Now we can actually prove from the equation that we can have the sum and the product that we have there if we apply the standard formulae that we know. So we know alpha plus beta is minus b over a. Now from this equation, my b, so I have a as 1, b as negative 4, and c is also a 1. So we have minus of b, which is minus 4, over a, which is 1, and this will just be 4, which is what we had before. Alpha plus beta is 4. And then alpha beta, we know it is c over a. And this will be equal to, my value of c is 1, and my value of a is also 1. And this will give me 1 over 1, which is 1. And this is also the value that we had from the previous step.